Hello there, Riddle third graders. Welcome to some more art. We've been very busy. We made the kitty cat, the car, the abstract witch, legs, scarecrow, Indian corn. Today we are looking at drawing Tweety Bird. This is not going to be terribly easy, and I know that, but I just ask that you just try your best. What we're going to do first to do this is it's almost kind of like a circle. You can see here's the middle, so that's about where you want to start. And then we're going to make his little cheeks here and here. I'm going to do that. And then he comes down and makes his little neck. Perfect. Next, he's got a little beak here. The beak is right down here by the oops. Too low. Pencil slipped a little bit. I'm having a hard time with these. My pencils, when they sharpen, they not a straight point, and then they come off a little bit when I'm trying to make my lines. And I want to be perfect. Here's my little beak. Little line there, might be too big, but that's all right. A little bitty, like a little bump here for his eyes. Bump there for the eyes. So the eyes are really big, really big. Three hairs on his head, or her head, I'm not even sure. Next, little bitty body here. Alright, I'm gonna make a small shape. This is gonna be the body right here. So I'm gonna make a curved line, curve, bring it up, make the body. Kind of small. Then from that body, he's got big feet. Two big feet. Big feet. I guess Tweety Bird's like a little boy or a little girl or something. Got big feet. He's got a lot to grow yet, don't he? Make a little feather in the back. Now her little, she actually has hands or arms, so I'm actually going to draw a little arm, little hand, little hands, hands. There it is. When I was a kid, I had a painting that my dad made. He probably made it in like high school or something. The painting of Tweety Bird. And I remember drawing it when I was little. He drew it in high school and I drew it, well, when I was a little kid. Alright, so he, she is yellow. Coloring in yellow. Try not to smear these pencil lines here. I actually watched quite a bit of Looney Tunes when I was a kid. When I was a kid, cartoons were only on Saturday mornings. We didn't have cartoons on all day, every day like you guys have now. The only time that we could watch cartoons was you had to wake up early on Saturday morning, and 11 or 12 o'clock they were done. There was no more. Looney Tunes was a popular one. Orange for the beak. And we didn't have cable. We didn't have, we only had like 3 channels on TV, so we didn't spend a lot of time watching TV. And guess what I did? I was probably drawing and playing outside. That's what I did. Coloring his feet in orange. That looks pretty good. His eyes, there's some blue. It's kind of a light blue. And then the middle circle, the pupil of the eye, is black. Finally, I'm going to outline everything with black. Good black this time. So I'm outlining everything here on him. And sometimes it's hard to outline with it. It doesn't work. Sharpen very good. Oops, I forgot the eye. Alright. Next, what kind of a background do I want? What do I want to do? I've been doing a lot of grass and blue skies. Well, yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. Nice weather. Hopefully we get some more nice weather. There he is. He's sitting on a little green grass. That's good. I'm gonna just go ahead and do my clouds and sky again. I know it's kind of boring, but it's nice. Makes it look like a nice day. Simple. Make some lines here, some blue. Yeah, look at that. I look forward to seeing yours. Post it so we can all see it. Good luck. Oh, should I hold that longer?